The aim of this project is to monitor the fermentation of our beer when we're making it. And we can do that because when you convert sugar to alcohol, it changes in density. You can make a measurement of the density to follow the progress in fermentation. This is usually done with a device like this. This is a hydrometer. This floats in the liquid, and the height it floats at is dependent on the density of the liquid that it's sitting in. This has disadvantages, of course, because it means you need to open up your fermentation vessel in order to make the measurement. So we want a device that makes the measurements automatically in real time and non-invasively without having to open up your fermenter. So the way in which we hope to achieve this is by making a measurement from the lid of the fermentation vessel to the top of the hydrometer, and then by also measuring the distance to the liquid, subtracting these, we can calculate the distance from the top of the hydrometer to the surface of the liquid and convert this into a measurement of specific gravity, which is what we're trying to measure. So we're using an acoustic sensor for this. These require quite a large target, so for the purposes of this exercise we've stuck a piece of paper to the top of the hydrometer. And for the demonstration, I've mounted the acoustic sensor here to the underside of this ruler, so it's facing down to the surface of the liquid. In this case, it's water. To take the baseline reading, we've set this up so that we can just press the reset button on the Arduino that will store the current reading from the acoustic sensor as the baseline. This is the distance to the surface of the liquid. And then if we place the hydrometer in the liquid and let it come to equilibrium, put it underneath the sensor, then you'll see it's reading the specific gravity. And as the fermentation proceeds, the specific gravity changes, and that's our reading.